Change the palette. Click the palette icon to view all available palettes. Select any palette to instantly update the image's palette. Click the split screen icon to switch between single screen and dual screen modes. Click the split screen icon to switch to dual screen. Click Open the video to load content into the second screen. Both videos can be analyzed simultaneously. Invert the color palette. Invert the color palette reverses the current color scheme. Click the Invert the color palette to see the inverted colors. Custom ribbon refers to creating your own color scheme. Click Custom ribbon. Click the plus icon to add a new custom palette. Select colors from the right side color panel, e.g. green. Click Confirm to save the custom palette. Return to the Palette menu to see your custom palette listed. Switch to single screen. Temperature trend analysis. It shows the temperature trend of analysis object. Add an analysis object. Click Temp trend. Horizontal axis once means time interval set to 1 second. Cumulative time refers to the total duration of the video. You can also select system time or actual time. Actual time means the video's recording time. For demonstration purposes, we will use cumulative time. Vertical axis auto enabled by default. The vertical axis temperature range adjusts dynamically based on temperature fluctuations. If disabled, the axis defaults to the predefined temperature range specified on the right panel. Toggle max temp, min temp, or average temp to display specific values. Select analysis objects in the lower left panel. Export data. Click the Share icon. Choose a save path and file name. Select Format PNG or CSV. Click Save. Exported files can be viewed in the specified location.